You're about to spend millions on a project and you don't even know if it's worth it yet. Most property owners skip the pre-design feasibility studies, and that's exactly where the costly mistakes happen. The wrong layout, the wrong budget, the wrong ROI. That's why we offer pre-design services para makita mo agad ano ang magandang layout, ano ang tamang massing at paano i-optimize ang iyong site plan bago pa gumastos sa malaki. Per building, pinapakita namin sa inyo yung estimated construction cost and possible renovation design at kung magkano talagang kailangan mo. No guesswork, just real numbers. Dito, ang pinaka-importante, sabihin namin sa inyo kung yung property mo ba ay mas profitable for rent or for sale based on actual design projections and timeline. That's the power of architectural design solution. You can book your pre-design consultation today and invest smart, not blindly.